President launched the railway line coming here. We intend to bring the SGR from where it is stuck around Narok, rising to Kisumu here, so that we can then from here offload and take the steamer services going across to Mwanza, Musoma, Bukoba, and also Port Belly in Uganda. That's a project for the future. And therefore, let me just say that I'm happy to preside over the launch of this project, water project here, and I say that this project is now officially launched. I have the pressure. Also, I did a subdivision here, and I'm handing over to the Lake Victoria South Water Works now the title for this land here. Kora sechiko wajino. So ngeni adwadi cho wadi ngini Luanda. Kawa Luanda wadi majengo. Ekodo we pura Kisumu ka. To ngeni ka uono udi Kisumu yes. Udi Kisumu. Tagmada na watu kairi. Udo langwan kende. To Joad dog didi debe. Oh, come on. We grew a bear. I don't know if you bear. Because I don't know if you go Kura Nijoa. One day, one lot of Mamalucha, Kamako Malukucha, to pay a minute to Chalcoda. I can never look at Machunga. I can never look at Machunga. I couldn't know a bear. I couldn't know a bear. I don't know if Machunga Yaduchi. Winja, kuchakiri MCA tiwatu ni ODM, MCA, MP, Women Rep, Senator, Governor, Myokaeli, Adoro Modogo, Kora ni, na, Duka Nyokaeli. I don't go to your pump. I don't go to your pump. Oh, come on. I don't go to your pump. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Governor, say, come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Senator. Good senator. I don't know what you women want to get women want to get my baby. Yeah, come on, yeah, come on.
Muje Kisumu, nitakuwa huko ndio tutapata nafasi ya kuongea. Pili, hata kama mtu atakuwa mgonjwa hospitali. Tumtoe huko apige kura na tumrudishe hospitali. Nasikia hivyo. Hatuwezi kukubali kupoteza wakati huu. Nasikia